Hey everyone, Rob from RobsWords, and today I wanted to show you a nice, easy, quick, and efficient hack for getting rid of wasps that have installed themselves on your house out of reach. And many people go out and buy those expensive cans of wasp killer that has the 25, 30 foot range. I want to show you a hack that's inexpensive and easy and cheap. So let's go out to the garage here a minute and I'll show you the product. There on the shelf, you probably have, like me, Home Defense. And this is simply an extermination product for bugs, but I want you to look very close at something here. On the wand, you'll see here that it has a setting where you can actually shoot long distance. Select that setting and watch what it'll do. Up here you see, I've just used it to kill a wasp nest that was live. Watch how far this will shoot. So we're talking shooting about 10, 15 feet straight up. No need to go and buy those expensive cans of wasp killer. All you need to do is use Home Defense with your wand that normally sprays, but it will shoot at distance. A great hack and an inexpensive way to kill wasps without buying the very expensive products. Thanks for watching RobsWords. We'll see you next time. You can climb a ladder and shoot as well, but make sure you can get the heck out of there once you're done.
Shoot and run, yeah, shoot and run. Go spray them wasps, run my son.